What's up, folks? How we doing? Thanks for checking out the video. In this one, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Rocket Socket Technology 10 outlets heavy duty surge protector. I've got a little workstation that I'm setting up in my shed, and I need a heavy duty surge protector to run some of those devices. And I've got a spot on the wall, and I want to be able to mount it to the wall nice and cleanly in my workstation. So here we go. We're going to get a little bit of literature here about the company, about the product, and a user guide. And here is the surge protector. It's got good weight to it. Definitely feels like a higher quality unit than some of the cheaper plastic options that are out there. And of course, here are the wall mount brackets, right? So I can just mount this guy to the wall, plug it in, and then run the appliances or tools that I need. This is the Rocket Socket Technology heavy duty surge protector, and it's going in my shop.